Hi, let us continue one more questions further. So, which type of network topology has a central hub? Central hub. What do you mean by central hub, children? So, the one which has one control server and the other as a workstation. So, it is star topology. Which device can selectively forward data based on MAC address rather than unnecessary traffic? So it is bridge. So why is switch called intelligent hub? A switch is called as intelligent hub because it forwards a message across the network only to the intended node, not to all the computers which it has to. It only forwards to the intended node. So let us see some assertion and reason based questions. A function in Python is called before it is defined. Do you think so? Before it is defined, can we call a function? So A is false. Python uses a top-down approach for code execution. Yes, top-down means main program will be there and it is subdivided into different functions. Yes, but the reason is not at all related to this. So R is true and A is false. And now coming to the next one. A foreign key establishes a relationship between two tables. Yes, if there are two tables, a key is there that is called as a foreign key which establishes a relationship. Yes, it is true. Okay, now let us see the reason. A foreign key must contain unique values in the parent table. Of course, a foreign key must contain unique values in the parent table, but both are true, but R is not the reason for the first one, right? R is not the reason for the assertion. So both A and R is true, but R is not the correct explanation. Now let us see the next question for 2 marks. Why the lists are called as mutable data type? What do you mean by mutable? That can be changed. That can be changed. Yes, because the values in the list can be changed or modified, can be accessed using the index value enclosed within square brackets. So for example, if you consider a list 136, I can modify the second value to 56. So instead of 6, I can change it as 56. If you print a new list, it will be shown. So mutable means it can be changed. So after writing the explanation, give the example also to get the full marks. What is implicit conversion? What do you mean by implicit conversion? Conversion means it is also called as coercion. What do you mean by that? If at all any float value is there, I need to convert it to int, then I'll be using int of or float of. I'll be using some functions too for explicit conversion. What do you mean by implicit? The compiler itself takes the conversion duty. That means if x is defined as an integer and y is a float, then when you add one integer and float, the compiler automatically converts integer into float and it gives the value. So it is implicitly converted. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the next one. So if at all two tuples are given, if I want to convert the first tuple into list, there is a function called as list of tuple. So this converts into list. And if I want to get the maximum value from tuple 2, so max is a function, max of t2 will give you that, and you please assign it to a variable. Write a statement because they have asked you to write a statement to find the sum of all elements. So if you just write sum of t1, it will give the sum, but we have to write a statement. So statement means there should be assignment operator. So a variable should be there with any name and it has to be assigned with the value specified. Sum of all the elements of tuple 1 is should be assigned to variable. And same thing, write a statement to find the length of t2. So length of t2 is find by length len, and then it has to be assigned because they have asked to write a statement here.